Hello friends, my name is Mustafa Bohra and I'll be your trainer for Excel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Babji Excel VBA. So friends, in today's video we will talk about three basic functions of Excel, which is sum, average and count, and these are applied on the numeric values, not on the text value. So before doing all these activities, for the beginners, I will tell you how to start the Excel. You have to click on the start button, and then you'll find the Excel icon here, or maybe here. So you can click on that, and you'll get a window like this. From that window, you need to select blank workbook, and it will open up a new Excel workbook for you. Right? So this is the way you can open it. You need not worry about the Excel version, because whatever version is installed on your system, it will open that Excel for you. So in my system it is 2016, so that is why you can see Excel 2016. It might be 2013 or 19 on your system if it is installed on your system. Now I am moving further, and for the beginners I am telling some basic keywords, so that I'll talk about those keywords in my video, and they will not get confused. So these are the keywords. For beginners, I should tell that this rectangle box is called cell. If you select more than one cell, then it will become a range, and the at the bottom you can see some sheets, that is sheet, and the another name of sheet is worksheet also. So some people say sheet, some people say worksheet, so it is an interchangeable name. Then the next keyword is formula. So sum, count, average. So these kind of things are formula. Formula means the predefined calculation which Excel has made already. Those are formula, and you will see a separate tab for formula here at the top, and here we have different functions. Okay, so there are some mathematical function and text function, logical function, that we will talk about later, but it is just for your information. The next is parameter. Parameter means once we will apply the formula, and whatever value it is taking, that is called parameter. So without wasting time, we'll start. I am going to my and then small bracket. People who do not know, if you hold down shift key and press the 9 button, that would be start of small bracket. If you press 0 holding down shift key, then it is the closing bracket. So this is called small bracket, and the third key from the top, after second key from the top, is called tab key. I am having one worksheet where I am having some data, so I'll apply the sum, count and average formula, and I'll make you understand what exactly it is and how it works. So as I said, there is a formula with the name. So when you are applying a formula, you have to type the equals to sign. So I am here on this cell, right, and I want to calculate the value from here to here. So I am here, I'll put the equals to sign, and then the function name is sum. So sum, and then I'll press a tab key. It is asking for the parameters. These numbers which you are looking, number 1, number 2, so these are nothing but the parameters. Okay, so the parameters which I was talking about here, this, right? Okay, so these are parameters. So equals to sign, sum, press tab key, and you have to select the entire range from here to here, and then just enter. So 2200 is the sum for all these values. Now if you want to count something, simply equals to sign, COUNT, count, press tab key and select the entire range from here to here. So it will calculate how many cells are there. 8 cells are there, so it is showing 8. Now to calculate the average, same thing which we have applied for sum, equals to sign, AVERAGE, again tab key, and I'll select the entire range from here to here and I'll press enter. So it will give the average of these values. So this is how we are applying the formula. If you want to add some more values which you forgot earlier, then in the sum formula you can add it and put that value. So how to add it, I'll tell you. This is the sum function which I have selected on B10. I'll press F2 key, and then before the bracket I'll put comma and say 500 I want to add. So I'll simply type 500 500 and enter. So in 2200 it added 500, so it became 2700. Okay, so the same way you can add it in other formulas also. Press F2 key and whatever you want to add it, you can give that value. And it is not that just the range you need to pass. If you want to pass some values and skipping some values, then as you can see in the average function, while editing it is asking for numbers. So I want to give the selected numbers. I'll put the comma here, and I want to give this one, the last one. So all these things we can do by putting a comma here, this comma, and then last value, and then enter. So it will calculate only the selected values, whatever we have selected. We have selected J2 and J4, and the last one is J9. So it considered J2, J4, J9, and it took and give me the average. So if you want to cross check, you can simply put your own formula, or you can just select it and you can see at the bottom, you can see the average. So what cells we have selected, J2, J4, J9. So J2, this J4, and this J9. So at the bottom you can see there is a small taskbar, and it says average is 250, right? So whatever we have selected, it calculated accordingly and gave you the value. So this way you can cross check also. Say for example, you have put the formula with the range, so that you can check at the taskbar whether the formula is correct or not. AVERAGE. I am pressing tab key again. I am selecting the entire thing and pressing enter. So the value is 275, and the same thing you can select and check at the bottom, the average is 275. So that means our calculation is correct, and we have applied the correct form. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.